In this video, I will show you how to remove parental control on Epic Games. So first of all, you have to open up the Epic Games application. Now on the application's main interface, you will see all sorts of games that are for sale. So what you have to do is that you very simply have to click on your profile icon that is present at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on account. Once you click on account, you will be redirected to a web browser. So from the web browser, you very simply have to click on parental controls. Now it will ask you to enter the PIN. But if there is a different option on your screen, for example, it says set up the PIN, then you don't have to enter the PIN over there, but simply check the game's settings which are not allowing you to do certain actions over there. But if it asks you for a PIN, then it means that the parental control is activated on your account. So now you very simply have to click on forget your PIN, then click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, an email will be sent on your account which will contain the instructions on how to reset your PIN. And those instructions will contain how you can access this section. So once you're done with the instructions and have created a new password, you very simply have to enter that password over here. Then click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, now the real work will start. So first of all, you have to make sure that this option that says always require a PIN for purchases using Epic Games payment service, you have to make sure that this option is disabled. Then you have to make sure that this dial is on the maximum and selected option is unrated. After that, you have to click on social permissions and make sure that the first option that says require PIN to add Epic friends is disabled. Then you have to select everybody on both of these options. Then click on Fortnite settings and also select the maximum age preference over here. Then you have to toggle this option on, and by doing this, you have easily removed parental control from your account in Epic Games. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.